Hello friends, welcome to our stock business news. Friends, today we are going to see the latest updates regarding to Dr. Reddy's. Friends, Dr. Reddy is a multi-pharmaceutical company and a leading pharmaceutical company in India and overseas also. They are having so much of innovative medicines and generic medicines. So, going forward, their manufacturing of API capacities and products related to children cares and mother cares, they are very attractive. And friends, Dr. Reddy's partnership with Russian COVID vaccine Sputnik V also getting approved from Indian government. That it will take some time, but it will happen going forward. And today they given an article that third COVID vaccine in India likely to be approved soon. That means going forward, this Reddy's laboratory partnered with Russia investment fund to bring Sputnik V vaccine to India and other countries also. So friends, up to now there is a myth that we didn't care about vaccine to take compulsorily, but now with the rising COVID cases on second wave, it given some importance compulsory we have to take vaccine. So there will be a third wave also. That's why to overcome other waves and infected by the vaccine, we have to take COVID vaccines. So in this way, pharmaceutical major Dr. Reddy's will get a huge benefit, friends. And if you see the curve of Dr. Reddy's curve of Russian COVID cases, we can get a clear view that it's drastically decreasing. On day by day, the graph of COVID cases in Russia decreasing. So, in my view, Dr. Reddy's is the perfect stock to add in our portfolio at its consolidated levels. So friends, here I am seeing you the most supported values and resistance values, friends. See, present it is trading at 4400, which is very attractive price. Why? Because several times it hit that 4200 as the support. If you see here, 4281. So I am getting 6 months also. See here, 4400 is the one support and 4281 is the recent fall support. Market fall and consolidation happened recently in that it hits 4281 twice and moved up. So in my view, 4300 4350 is the most attractive value to enter as a retailers. And friends, 52 week high is 5542. Nearly you can get a 20% margin. So friends, so many fund houses also given 18% up from present value like 4200. So friends, in my view, if you see here, these are the most consolidated value, that is 4281 and 4406. In between you can enter anywhere as a retailer. You can get a target of 5542 in this year itself. Why? Because if once India approves COVID vaccine, friends, you will see 5000 rupees in cards. So see here, 4400 4800 is the first target and 5000 is the second target, and 5500, which is 52 week high of Russian this Dr. Reddy's, is the next target. So friends, this is my view as a fundamental, and as throughout the business analysis of this company gives me this knowledge. And if you see here, the graphs also supporting these levels of 4400 and 4281. So I am expecting these are the best values to enter. With short time you will get 5000 on cards. So friends, fundamental analysis and news analysis and future of any product, any company is very important to enter on a company or on a share market. So with the continue falls also, it taken support at 4200 is the support for Dr. Reddy's. It won't go below that. So friends, this is my view on Dr. Reddy's. If you like our videos, please subscribe my channel and share my channel for more updates, friends. Thank you.